Coming up, an adventure that didn't quite go as planned. From horse drama at Taino Bay to a ride that felt more like Horsepilot than horseback riding, and even a splashy showdown in the ocean that left both me and my horse questioning life choices. Get ready to laugh, shake your head, and most importantly, find out exactly what to expect at this cruise port. Because even if things went sideways, you'll be armed with the do's, don'ts, and everything in between for your own Dominican Republic adventure. Now, let's get into it. We stepped off the cruise, ready for an adventure in the Dominican Republic. The sun's shining, the ocean breeze is perfect, and adventure is calling. We hustle our way through the lively crowd at Taino Bay, buzzing with excitement for what's supposed to be an epic horseback riding experience. Our guide greets us with a warm smile and leads us toward our ride. I'm thinking, yes, let's go. But plot twist, we're missing two other travelers. So there we are, awkwardly waiting, watching the minutes tick by, and I'm already sensing a hint of trouble. You know when something starts off not so great and you just have that feeling? Yeah, that was me.
Okay, 141, stand by.
3 weeks later.
Fast forward to the ranch. All right, buckle up. Nope, wait, I mean, saddle up. Welcome to my horseback riding adventure, where the horses know the route better than your GPS. Seriously, these guys are basically running on Horsepilot. I climb onto my horse, feeling ready to channel my inner cowboy. Everything seems fine, right? Wrong. Suddenly, one of the other horses decides to start, backing that thing up right into mine. My horse is not having it. Shoots a sassy side-eye, lets out a snort, and I'm just there, caught in the middle of horse drama. Then I try to steer, you know, like a cowboy would, but my horse, he's got his own plan. Pull left, nah. Kick right, not happening. It was like he was telling me, listen, dude, I've got this. Just sit tight and stop pretending you're in control.
Uno lo hace que haga que vaya lento.
And then, whoosh, he takes off like he's in the Kentucky Derby, completely ignoring me. I'm holding on for dear life, bouncing in the saddle, looking like a fool in front of all the cruisers who came to watch this adventure. If this was a race, I'd have won first place, no contest. But let me tell you, that horse made me his fool, faster than you can say. I swear, if there had been an old-timey saloon nearby, the crowd would have been laughing and clinking glasses, saying, look at that city slicker getting schooled by a horse. And then we reached the water, which was supposed to be the highlight of the adventure. But these horses, they look about as thrilled as a cat getting a bath. They pooped, they splashed, and I swear, even the fish were judging us. My horse looked back at me as if to say, you thought this was going to be fun. At that moment, I knew. This wasn't the postcard-perfect experience I'd envisioned.
Hey, ¿cómo estás?
But let's give a shout out to our guide. She was awesome, full of energy, full of knowledge, and genuinely making the ride interesting.
For shopping, if you want to buy. About.
While she's telling us cool stories about the area, I'm just here trying to bribe my horse into giving me a little bit of respect. Spoiler alert, it didn't work. By the end of it, I was ready to fist bump my horse for putting up with me, but also very ready to say goodbye. Would I do it again? That would be a hard pass. Would I recommend it? Sure, if you're a horse whisperer or need a funny story to tell. Me? I'm already dreaming of my next adventure, preferably one with a jet ski. Wind in my hair, waves under my feet. That's my kind of thrill. But hey, at least I walked away with a great story and a horse with more attitude than I knew what to do with. Dominican Republic, you never fail to surprise. After our wild ride, we found ourselves back at Taino Bay, and I discovered there was way more to do than I expected. We got to interact with the cutest monkeys, who were way more cooperative than my horse, by the way. And the colorful birds? Perfect for snapping those vacation photos. Honestly, if I had known Taino Bay had so much to offer, I might have skipped the horseback adventure altogether. Picture this: shopping around the local markets, taking a dip in their lazy river, and soaking in the vibes. Now that sounds like a day well spent. Lesson learned for next time: sometimes staying close to the port has its perks. Before you go, don't forget to check out my blog, Travel with the Ricans, for more travel stories, tips, and guides to help you plan your next adventure. And if you're hungry for more laughs and unforgettable travel experiences, I've got another video coming up that you won't want to miss. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below to let me know if you'd ever dare to ride a horse in the Dominican Republic, or if you just stick to the monkeys and lazy river like me next time. See you in the next adventure.